Inversion and Third Conditional Sentences. Unraveling the Had Mystery. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate grammar. Today, we are diving deep into conditionals. Specifically, we'll focus on inversion in conditional sentences. We have an exciting topic on hand, using had for all subjects in the third conditional. Let's unravel the had mystery. In English, the third conditional helps us to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations in the past. We often use it to express regret or to speculate about what could have happened under different circumstances. The general structure of the third conditional is if plus past perfect, would plus have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. Inversion in conditional sentences is a sophisticated way of speaking or writing. It eliminates the need for if and makes the sentence more formal or dramatic. With the third conditional, we can form an inverted sentence by moving the auxiliary verb had before the subject. It looks like this: had plus subject plus past participle, subject plus would plus have plus past participle. For example, had I studied harder, I would have passed the test. Here, had I studied harder is the inverted form of if I had studied harder. The beauty of inversion in the third conditional is that had can be used with all subjects. Whether it's I, you, we, they, he, she, or it had, remains the same. Here are some examples to illustrate. Had they arrived earlier, they would have seen the concert. Had she worked diligently, she would have completed the project on time. Had it rained yesterday, we would have stayed at home. See? It's the same had for all subjects. Let's put this knowledge into practice. Here are a few sentences. Try to invert them using the third conditional. 1. If we had left the party earlier, we would have caught the last bus. 2. If he had remembered her birthday, she would have been happy. 3. If you had brought your umbrella, you would have stayed dry. Thank you for joining today's lesson on using had for all subjects in the third conditional. We've covered a lot, from understanding the third conditional, how to invert sentences, to the use of had for all subjects. Don't forget to practice using these structures, as practice makes perfect. Keep up the hard work, and happy English learning!